issues. So first we need to open the run the Windows troubleshooter. So press Windows logo key plus X key, then select settings, then we need to select update and security, and now select troubleshoot. So we need to select Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows. Run the troubleshooter. So it will detect the problems, and it may be the issue with the potential database or any cache issue. So it's detect the Windows automated troubleshooter will detect if there is any issues with the Windows update or not. So it's checking for the pending updates, and it might take several minutes. So it's starting the bit service, that is the background intelligent transfer services, and it's checking with configuration details, and so we need to download and install pending updates, and we will select apply this fix. Resolving problems, repair Windows update database corruption. So we will select apply this fix. So it's trying to resolving the problems. Checking for pending wrist updates. Initializing the diagnostic, detecting additional plotting bit service. So here the problems is found is the potential Windows update database error detected, Windows update component must be repaired, and checking for pending updates. Okay, so now we will just close the troubleshooter, close the settings. Now we need to, so if we are facing issue with the Windows Store or the Microsoft Store, and we want to reset it to the previous configuration, we want to reset the Windows Store, so we need to open command prompt, write cmd in the run box, right click on the cmd, and run as administrator. Yes. So we have to write only one command, that is WS reset, Windows Store reset. And before performing these troubleshooting steps, I would like to request you to, the Windows should, you should have a genuine operating system, and the Windows must be activated, and you should must be logged with a Microsoft account. So I just like to inform everyone that the WSRESET is one of the executable application that is located in the system 32 folder. So it's just reopening the applications. So wow, we see that Windows Store successfully opened, right? So, and what we can do, we can just add an account like by signing in to the Windows or the Microsoft Store. Okay, so let's close this one, and let's minimize administrator because we will use it later. Now we will just perform another simple step that will help us to resolve the issue with the Windows update issue. So we need to go to services option, like services.msc. So this is the list of services, right? So we need to check up the two of the at least some of the services like background intelligent transfer service. Wow, let's see that the services has not been started. So what we will do, we will just, startup type should be automatic, and we will start the service, apply, and okay, done. Now we'll be search for the cryptographic services. Cryptographic, yeah, it's the cryptographic services. Startup type should be automatic, and okay, it's running. Okay, so now we will search for delivery optimization. It will be startup type should be automatic, and we will start this service, started the service, apply, and okay. So what actually this service delivery optimization do? As we can see, it's in the description, it's perform content delivery optimization task, right? So I would request you that this service is mandatory, so we need to start the service. Okay, now we'll select the Windows update, Windows update, Windows update, Windows update. So it's manual, let it be automatic. Okay, so apply, okay. So it Windows auto update Windows Update Service is enables us to detect and download the pending updates or any update that is available for the system. Installation updates. Okay, so apply. Okay. Now network location. Okay, network location, network awareness. This is automatic. Okay, done. So from the services we have done most of the steps. So what we need to do now is to, if we're still facing the issue, we will just rename two of the files, that is software distribution and catroot 2. So what we need to do is going to the system file, this PC, local disk C, Windows, software distribution. This we will rename like f2 dot old. So before performing this step, let us stop the pending services. We need to stop the Windows Update services. Net stop bits, net stop crypt svc, net stop Windows Update CRV, and we will just rename okay. So let's continue. Yes, we will click on yes to perform the file operation. Okay, it says it's opened, so let us .olt. Okay, the folders is in use, it's showing. Let me sign out from my other account.